Hi guys, good afternoon. This is House Channel. So as you see, I'm working on at home, and then if you like to disable the notepad of your laptop, the brand is HP Elite Book. For you to disable the notepad of the mouse, there is a way to do it. You just double tap on this. Now there's a light coming on that notepad, and then it will not move your mouse. See, so for you to disable this yellow light, and for in order for the mouse cursor to move, then you just have to double tap on this area, and then now it's gone. So you can move your mouse now anywhere where you want. Okay, so this is for HP laptop. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button in order for you to be notified when there's new video, especially on things that you want to know, or the house channel. I call it the house channel. Okay, bye bye.